Planning a trip to Vietnam? Not sure how to apply for an eVisa? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to where we simplify your travel needs. Today, the journey begins with your Vietnam eVisa application. So buckle up for the detailed step-by-step guide. The first stop is your web browser. Type in vietnamvisonline.org. The homepage welcomes you with an Apply Visa button. Click on it, and you find yourself on the online application form. Here, you need to fill in your personal details. Write your full name exactly as it appears on your passport, your date of birth, nationality, and your passport number. Remember, accuracy is vital here. Next, it's time to share your travel details. This includes your intended entry and exit dates, the type of visa you need, and your entry point into Vietnam. Make sure these details align with your travel itinerary. Now, you'll need to upload some documents. Get ready with a scanned copy of your passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months from your entry date. Don't forget a recent passport-sized photo. Clarity and legibility are key here. Moving on, vietnamvisonline.org offers you several processing time options. You can choose standard processing, which takes around 5 working days, or if you're in a rush, opt for urgent processing or even super urgent processing for same-day service. After filling out all the required information, pay the visa fee using your preferred method. Once your payment is processed, a confirmation email lands in your inbox. Check your email for the confirmation message. This email contains important details about your application and a reference number for tracking your visa status. Once your eVisa is approved, another email arrives with your eVisa attached. Print out a copy of the eVisa and pack it with your passport. You'll need to present it at the port of entry in Vietnam. And there you have it! You've successfully applied for your Vietnam eVisa, all ready for your Vietnamese adventure. If this guide has been helpful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels, and see you in Vietnam!